Here we are discussing a very interesting question from the chapter complex number. Question is, find the real values of x and y, for which two questions are here. First, 1 minus I into x plus 1 plus I into y is equal to 1 minus 3i. And second part of this question is 1 plus I into y square plus 6 plus I is equal to 2 plus I into x. Here we have to find out the values of x and y. Correct? That we can do very easily. Let us see solution here. Let us start from first question. This is given 1 minus I into x plus 1 plus I into y is equal to 1 minus 3i. We will multiply 1 minus I with x and 1 plus I with y. We will try to segregate real part and imaginary part, and then we compare real part and imaginary part in left hand side and right hand side. Then we will get values of x and y very easily. So here this is this much into x is x minus ix, x minus ix, and here 1 plus I into y is y plus iy, y plus iy, and right hand side is 1 minus 3i, 1 minus 3i. And we are getting here, we'll make one group of real numbers x and y. So this is x plus y, and this is 1 minus 3i. So we can take minus here common, and I is here. Here from we'll get x, and here minus y is equal to 1 minus 3i or I, 3 we can write, no problem. By comparing left hand side and right hand side, here left hand side real part is x plus y and right hand side is 1. So this implies x plus y is equal to 1, and minus I into x minus y, here minus I into 3. Correct? So x minus y is equal to 3. X minus y is equal to 3. By solving these two equations, we can get values of x and y very easily. Adding these two equations, these are linear equations in two variables, you know. So this plus y and minus y will be cancelled out. So 2x is equal to 4, and therefore we are getting a x is equal to 4 by 2. This is equal to 2. So value of x is 2 here. Now we can put value of x in any one of these two equations. If you put x is equal to 2 here, then y is equal to 2 will be transposed to this side. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. Correct? This value will satisfy this another equation also. X is 2 and y is minus 1. So 2 minus of minus 1, that is 3. So this is the answer. Values of x and y are 2 and minus 1 respectively. Correct? Now let us see second part of this question. Here 1 plus I into y square plus 6 plus I is equal to 2 plus I into x. Here we will segregate the real part and imaginary part. In left hand side, multiplying with y square plus I into y square, and this is 6 plus I. Right hand side multiplying with x, so 2x plus I into x. Or this is y square plus 6, this is a real number, y square plus 6, and remaining number are iy square and I, so we will take I common here, y square plus 1, and in right hand side this is 2x plus I x. Okay, comparing real part, y square plus 6 is 2x, y square plus 6 is equal to 2x, and Comparing imaginary part, y square plus 1 is equal to x. Now we have to solve these equations. So from this, suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation number 2, we are getting y square is equal to x minus 1. We are transposing 1 to right hand side, correct? And putting this value of y square in equation number 1. So by equation 1, y square is equal to x minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 2x. Transposing x to right hand side, we will get x here, and in this side 6 minus 1, this is equal to 5. This is value of x. And by equation number 2, if you put value of x here, we will get y square is equal to x is 5. So 5, 1 is transposed to right hand side, 5 minus 1, this is equal to 4. So y square is 4. So y is equal to plus minus 2. Correct? So we are getting answer here. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to plus minus 2. This is the answer. These are the values of x and y. Very interesting question, important questions. Okay, so remain in touch with these videos. We have to see some more important questions, and please share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.